Hello everybody, I'm going to be using the Frozen 2 eyeshadow palette by Colourpop Cosmetics. So I'm going to be starting off with the shade Water on a large eyeshadow brush. So with that color, I'm going to be brushing it all around my eye, moving left to right, and just make sure to really build up that nice pretty blue color. Now I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And with that, I'm going to be cutting my crease. So I like to put some concealer like on the very tip of my eye, and then when I look up, it outlines my crease. And then afterwards, I just go ahead and pat that in. And for this look, I'm going to be bringing down the concealer to my inner eye corner. And after I'm done patting it in with the brush, I like to pat in the ends with my finger to help blend. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Awakened on a flat brush. And with the shade Awakened, I'm going to be starting out at the end of my cut crease and bringing it halfway just by patting it in. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Northern Lights on another flat brush. And Northern Lights is going to go into that front half of my cut crease. And I'm going to be doing the same thing, just patting it in. To go ahead and fix up that blend, I'm going to be taking the shade Water again and just blending it out on the end of my eye. Next, I'm going to be taking Northern Lights again on that same flat brush, but this time I'm putting it on the bottom of my eye aligned with the top. And I would be doing the same with the shade Awakened. And now I'm taking Water again to help blend out the bottom of my eye with the top. And for the last step, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Lash Fiber 3D Mascara. I like to first put the mascara above my eyelashes and then curl the brush as if I'm curling my eyelashes, and then afterwards brush it all up. After finishing up with mascara, putting on your foundation, the look is complete. So this is what the final look looks like. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to give it a like, comment what you think, and try to give it a try for yourself. The Frozen 2 palette is amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.